Okay, y'all, workout is done. So I said, let me get in here and make some oatmeal. So I'm using Planet Oat milk, okay? You can use water, you can use regular milk, you can use whatever you choose to use. I am putting in 3 cups of oat milk, okay? Now, I like to cook my oatmeal very, very well. I like for it to be soft, okay? So you can make adjustments to yours whichever way you like it. Some people like it kind of, like on the crunchy kind of side, I guess you could say. But I don't. I like it cooked very well, okay? So 5 cups of oat milk is what I'm using, and then I am going to bring this to a boil. Not a high rolling boil, but heat it up. But first I'm going to put some salt in it, just a little bit for taste, okay? Normally I would use sea salt, but I'm out of it, so regular salt it is. Now we're going to add the oats once the milk is hot. I should say hot, because I don't want you to boil it, okay? So I'm using 3 cups of oatmeal, okay? So that's 5 cups of liquid, whatever you choose, water, milk, or whatever, and 3 cups of oatmeal, all right? And make sure that you add your sweetener and everything, whatever you want to put through it to, let it cook through. Here I'm using some Florida crystals sugar because it is limited processed, okay? It's a little bit better than just your plain processed white sugar, all right? One thing I will say is I could have used just one of those little 1/4 scoops of sugar because it was a little on the sweet side. Not too much, but it was a little sweet. Now here I am using some coconut palm sugar also, and it gave it a nice coconut flavor. It was really good. Alright, y'all, so I just continue to stir it because you do not want it to stick, okay? You don't want it to stick, so I let it cook to my liking. Still though, I could have had it a little bit softer, but it is what it is. But you cook it to your liking. Just remember to stir. Now the oatmeal was ready. You can see how creamy it is. Oh my goodness, it still was good. I put a lid on it, let it set for a few minutes to thicken up a little bit more. Now it is time to make the bowls. Okay, look at that. Oh my goodness, it was really good. Came out a little bit better than what I would do in the rice cooker when I normally would make it in the rice cooker. So but the rice cooker does get it to the consistency that I like it, which is no crunchy oats, just soft. But I am using old-fashioned oats, so I may need to go back to quick oats. But I used what I had on hand. I had old-fashioned oats because they are easy to make overnight oats, okay? So quick oats will really take it to the consistency that I like. So this is my meal. My post-workout meal. My pre-workout was just a banana and water, and this is the actual breakfast, okay? A lot of grapes and oatmeal. Alright, y'all, so went back to the grocery store. So picking up things a little bit at a time so it don't go bad so quick, okay? So you're gonna get a lot of different little hauls or whatnot, but really got some yummy stuff, okay? So it's evening time right now. I came back in and showered because I wanted to get hot water on my muscles, okay, after doing those exercises for the first time in a long time. So not much was done today because those exercises was a lot. You don't want to overexert yourself. So day 3, which is tomorrow, y'all get tomorrow's vlog, I should be able to like really dive down in like I wanted to far as my vlogs. But like I say, this is real life. This is, restarting a lifestyle of working out and all that. So I'm taking my time. So I got to get a whole lot of stuff that needs to be done though. But I just say, you know what, I'm just going to, since I did those exercises, just kind of relax for today. Okay, so not do a whole lot. So came back in, shower, and I said, let me go ahead and show y'all what I did pick up from the grocery store. So got some low fat cottage cheese. I will be giving y'all my meal schedule. It'll probably be in the vlog tomorrow. I'll be giving you my meal schedule. Let's see. So low fat cottage cheese, because I'm only doing dairy, pulling back on the dairy, but I told y'all yogurt and cottage cheese will be some dairy products that I have. Everything else is pretty much dairy free. That's what the goal, and that's how I decide to have a something here or something, because it's in moderation. Like I say, I'm not on no diet. I'm not doing no diet. In moderation. You don't have to diet and starve yourself. Okay, it's just what you eat and eat right. All right. So low fat cottage cheese, got some Activia yogurt. This is the yogurt that I choose because to me it's the most healthiest and has the most probiotics. Like right here it says supports digestive health, billions of live probiotics, essential nutrients. Okay, got some cucumbers right there, some more cucumbers because I got something to do with those. Got some more bananas, got some more grapes because these grapes was the truth. They was good and sweet. Oronde saw this and got this for me. This is going to be used on something. I ain't going to tell y'all what it is. Y'all will see it in the vlogs as it's done. Got some Granny Smith apples. I love those. When he picked those, I was like, yep, you know, I like Granny Smith apples. I hadn't had none in a minute. Not these ones, but yeah. Got some oranges and got some avocados. So just look at this. Ain't that just so pretty? The colorfulness and the healthiness and the nutritions, y'all. The nutrients in it. We got to do that. This is part of prepping. This is part of it. We prepping our body just like we prep for food. We prep for disaster. We need to prep our body to, you know, have the foods that it needs. All right, y'all. So you saw what we end up getting from the grocery store. Just a couple things, just those things that was needed. Okay, so I didn't do too much today, like I said, because I wanted to relax my bones from doing those workouts. But tomorrow, God's will, should be on and popping. Tomorrow is actually just treadmill day. I'm actually like, okay, yeah. Treadmill day, so I be getting more done. Trust me, my vlogs are picking up. It's just that we are in the beginning stage of a lifestyle change with this workout, so I'm not going to stress my body. Those of you that cannot do those workouts or find it hard, difficult, for whatever reasons, just do your walking. There's walking pads if you don't have a treadmill and you wish to have one because you don't want to walk outside. There's walking pads that they have that are on sale right now this time of year. Some about $70 or whatnot. So if you need to get you a walking pad, get your walking pad. You may be able to find a cheap treadmill, or you can just walk throughout your house for 15, 20, 30 minutes. Just literally walk back and forth. Remember, consult your doctor, your physician before you start any type of workout regimens or anything like that. Or either you do it at your own risk. Let's see. Dinner for tonight is going to be the same thing I had for lunch. Just winging it, really. And because I want the dressing on. So it's only just a little bit more left. Maybe a little bit left for tomorrow, and that's gonna be it. But I don't want to waste it, okay? So we end up eating both pans, so that's why we need it out of the other one, so I didn't freeze it. So it's like I just make more if I gotta make more in the next couple weeks or whatnot. But yeah, that's gonna be dinner. Yeah, I didn't do much. The oatmeal, I don't know if I remember if I mentioned it. It was a little too sweet, so I'm gonna back off one of those servings of sugar that I put in there. And that was the first time me using that particular sugar. Okay, so normally the other would be fine, but I don't think I put 2 before in it. I don't even know what made me put 2 this time, and then I put the coconut sugar. It had a coconutty flavor. It was really, really good. It was really good. Just a tad little too sweet for my liking. Not like, oh, it's too much sugar. But, you know, and then it's 5 of us that was eating the oatmeal. So it ain't like one person just sat there and indulged. But I know next time. Let's see. Is there anything else? I don't think so. I don't think so. I just really want to eat right now for dinner and just relax, okay? Relax. My shin splints is what's kind of bothering me. The hot shower really, really helped. But, yeah, got to keep going. So, God say the same tomorrow. I should be able to get more done, because that will be the 3rd day into doing some type of movement, working out and all that. And y'all gotta look at we're prepping when we're changing our lifestyle and eating better. We're prepping our bodies, because it may get to the point, especially with the way things is shaping up for next year, with the people that are being put in certain positions, it's literally setting up to be interesting. I'm just gonna say that we need to go ahead and make sure we are prepping our bodies in case we can't get all the stuff that we normally get. It's a lifestyle change. We must do it. I'll talk about that in another video, probably on the other channel. But yeah, y'all get the point. Y'all get the point. Y'all get the point. We need to be preparing in all ways, okay? And we can prep for everything else. We need to prep and make sure we're eating healthy, make sure we're physically and mentally where we're supposed to be, okay? So keep that in mind when you're doing your prepping. Prep yourself too, okay? Not just with the essential items and material stuff. Prep yourself. Be kind to your body, your mind, okay? But don't let your mind, because sometimes your mind can be your worst enemy, okay? So sometimes, so you know, you can help a lot of that stuff, the anxiety, the pressure. If you have that type of stuff, you can help it with just what you put in your mouth. A lot of times food trigger those things. So if it's the wrong food, you get bad results, okay? So remember, your stomach is a big part of your mental health. A lot of people don't know that. Your stomach is a big part of your mental health, okay? So with that being said, y'all, wasn't too much. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Expect more, y'all, okay? This is a journey, y'all, coming on with me. 31 days of working out and changing that lifestyle, okay? So y'all be safe. I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye. Mwah.